Hello and welcome back. Today, let's talk about macro lenses and what these numbers on your macro lens mean or say. So one, we have the magnification ratio here in blue on the Sony 90mm macro lens, going from 1:1 life size on your sensor to, well, 1:3 for smile shots, 1:10 for portrait photography. So, and the second row is the distance in feet and meters. So you can just pre-focus. If you know that you want to just take a shot of the incisors, go to 1:1 or close to that, then you know that the distance is around 35 centimeters. Then you can like pre-focus and only move a little bit back and forward using focus peaking to get the perfect shot. 1:3 for the smile, 1:10 for your portrait photography. Hope this small tip helps you to improve your macro, your dental photography. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you later.